Good day folks. Scott Norina here. As you may know, I have spent a lot of time and effort developing software over many years with work on my own projects including Android mobile and Java-based web applications. This video will serve as testament to one of my earliest attempts to build a web application using Java server pages. Firstly, I will describe the purpose of my web application, Drop-in Registration. Drop-in Registration is a web application for managing a small group of hockey players who play drop-in hockey every Friday evening at Britannia Rink in East Vancouver. The app automates the process of registering a set number of players to play pickup hockey every Friday night at 11:15 p.m. By automating the registration process, it is no longer necessary to manage a manual paper list of players calling in each week by phone. The entire process of setting the player roster is done online, ensuring that the optimal number of players are confirmed and scheduled to attend each game. The app will allow registration of 2 goaltenders and 20 skaters per game. Once 20 skaters are registered, 4 more may be added to a wait list. Once all available spots are filled, including 4 on the wait list, new player logins will see an error message advising that all spots are full and to try again next week. This application was built using the Integrated Development Environment, Eclipse. Eclipse is configured to run the application in a Tomcat web server and persist data in a SQLite database. Launch of the application from within Eclipse will open a login page in a default web browser. The application administrator may log in with a predefined set credential of username and password. The main screen shows a message including the date of the next game and a summary of the currently registered players. The administrator will also see a number of buttons on the bottom of the main screen to be used for player and session management, including 1. Reset registrations, to clear all current registrations in advance of next week's game. 2. Email, new session, to send email invitations to all players inviting them to log in and register for the next game. 3. Email, roster status, to send emails showing all players on the game roster and wait list for the upcoming game. 4. Maintenance, used to access and manually manage information for any player. 5. Logout, to exit the program. The maintenance button will take the administrator to a screen where all information for any player may be managed manually. The administrator may update, add, delete players as needed and view the current roster. When a player logs into drop-in registration, they will see one of 3 things on the welcome screen. 1. If the player is already registered, the player's name will be highlighted in red font confirming their spot in the roster or wait list. This player may click the Cancel Registration button if they are unable to attend. This action will release the spot and make it available to another player. If a rostered player cancels, the first player on the wait list is moved into the roster and a changed notification email is sent out. 2. If space is available, the player is invited to register in the roster or wait list. 3. If the roster and wait list are full, the player is informed and advised to try again next week. Drop-in registration was a passion project for me. I really enjoyed the challenge of defining the problem to be solved and architecting the solution. I am happy to be able to archive this project on YouTube for posterity. Thanks for watching.